Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I'm here for another subscriber collaboration slideshow video. And this one is on homemade natural medicinals. So these are photos sent to me from my followers who have made something based off any of my medicinal recipes that I have out there. So it can be tinctures, extracts, rubs such as a muscle rub, or the vapor rub, or the diaper cream, hair growth oil. Those are the kind of images you're gonna see here. So I'm not labeling everything as to what it is, but I will be putting the name of or channel name of the person who submitted the photo or photos. So I have several of these videos out so far. There's still more to come. So make sure you check out the playlist I'll be putting to the whole series in the description box down below. And some of these will be repeating. So such as the ferment collaboration, that was one of the most popular ones. I'll be repeating that one at the end of this year, since that one went over really well, and the craft collaboration for sure as well. So start thinking ahead. If you've got anything that you've been fermenting based off my recipes or anything craft related, it can be something that you've created off my sewing videos, my crochet videos, and so on. Just make sure you're saving those photos and getting the best quality photos you can. And then I'll let you know in my this and that videos when it is time for me to start collecting photos for whatever collaboration I have coming up. So anyway, let's get on to this slideshow. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this collaboration, and thank you for everyone who was involved. And just remember, more collaborations to come. So if you want to be a part of one of these, just keep watching my Monday This and That videos, because that's where I put the announcements. All right, well, thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.